How many times have you eaten something that made you constipated? Not to mention that, for some people, constipation is always accompanied by excess weight on the scale, right? We have many videos on our channel about how you can treat it at home in a natural way. But the recipe we will show today, you certainly don't know. Have you ever heard about papaya, oat, and cinnamon juice? This juice will help regulate your intestine and also facilitate your weight loss. Amazing, isn't it? The fact is that with the busy rhythm of our days, we can't keep our diets and end up turning to food delivery apps to make our lives easier. However, to have good health and quality of life, you need some dedication and time to prepare your foods. Besides taking care of your eating, ingesting the right nutrients will also help eliminate the toxins accumulated in your body, and they are responsible for causing diseases and obesity. So, to help you on this mission, learn now the recipe of a papaya, oats, and cinnamon juice. 1/4 cup papaya, 1/2 cup oat, 1/2 cup almond milk or water, 1/4 tablespoon cinnamon. Making it is really easy. Put all ingredients in a blender and mix. If the juice isn't sweet enough for your taste, add a teaspoon of honey. Now you just need to drink it every morning while still fasting. Do you want to know why it works? Papaya helps fight constipation since it has enzymes that aid in food digestion, which normalizes intestinal transit. Oat is rich in fibers and so helps you lose weight, regulates the intestine, and reduces cholesterol. Cinnamon, besides smelling amazing, has antioxidant action, stimulates body defense, and also has antispasmodic, probiotic, and anesthetic action. This mixture will help clean your intestine, end constipation, and eliminate toxins by making a powerful detox in your body, which will certainly help you shed a few ounces on the scale. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.